Good morning. I'd like to welcome all of you to the 5th annual Northern Michigan HIV Summit, hosted by Munson Healthcare and the Thomas Judd Care Center, which is Northern Michigan's HIV clinic. I'm David Rushlow, the clinic manager, and we're so happy you've decided to join us virtually for this day of education and conversation. You know, we're really sorry we could not meet in person this year, and we're hoping to be together again next spring. You know, the last 14 months certainly have been unprecedented. We were able to continue providing services to our clients and providers to the 27 counties we serve in Michigan, including a few of the islands. At no time did we have to close our doors or deny services to clients because of COVID-19. We're really grateful that we had the resources and support to continue providing services. We'd like to give a shout out to the state and also to Munson Medical Center for their support. You know, we're really proud of our resilience and the accomplishments that we've made during this pandemic. And we really don't want to lose momentum when it comes to providing care for those with HIV in our region, while we continue to meet the challenges of COVID-19. Over the past year, we've assisted more than 150 clients through the Thomas Judd Care Center with comprehensive case management services. And those include financial assistance, housing referrals, insurance counseling, transportation, crisis management, mental health counseling, and primary care medical services through our nurse practitioner. And that's just a snapshot of what we do in our clinic during a given day. We've performed over 150 HIV tests, and we are currently serving 40 patients in our Prevent Clinic, which is Northern Michigan's only PrEP clinic, or pre-exposure prophylaxis, to prevent HIV infection. We virtually saw patients in our comprehensive care clinic this past year. Patients were able to see their case managers, dental hygienist, our dietitian, an infectious disease pharmacist, and nurse practitioner, as they could not be seen in person due to the pandemic. We implemented our non-food pantry we call Head to Toe to make sure our clients were able to receive items that are really costly in the store, such as toilet paper, laundry detergent, soap, and hygiene products. You know, we're a really small but mighty core team, and I'd like to make sure we acknowledge all of our staff. Thanks to Dr. Peter Alvarado, our medical director, case managers Victoria, Brian, Leanne, our transporter James, and nurse practitioner Sean. And I need to give a special shout out to Heidi, who planned the summit this year and has been working tirelessly to make today possible. Now we have a few short videos we'd like to play for you highlighting our clinic and primary care services. Our first video highlights our services and tells the story of one of our clients. Here's our first video.
My name is Bradley. I live in Traverse City, Michigan. When I first tested positive for HIV in February of '92, I remember breaking down and bawling. But we live our life to the fullest. My passion is sewing. I have sewn for over 40 years.
People are often surprised to hear that we have HIV in Northern Michigan. HIV is among our neighbors, among our friends. It affects all races, all ethnic groups. The Thomas Judd Care Center is a comprehensive, holistic HIV center based in Traverse City. We are the only HIV clinic in Northern Michigan. The Thomas Judd Care Center helps people to live the best possible life that they can. And now HIV is a chronic disease, and if you stay on your medication, there isn't any reason that you can't live a long life.
People who get HIV now, they only have to take
Yeah.
one pill rather than 21 pills. And the side effects are nowhere near, and the life expectancy is 40 to 60 years rather than 1 to 3 years back in the 80s and 90s.
The Thomas Judd Care Center helps our clients overcome many obstacles that might prevent them from getting the care that they need. We also help our patients access the primary care medical services that they may need.
Thomas Judd has helped me live my life the way I wanted to, rather than having to stress about trying to take care of medical bills. They've taken a burden off my shoulder.
We encourage you to come in and have a risk assessment, have a free confidential test. Knowing your status is incredibly important because we can keep you healthy.
Thanks, Holly. Our next video was finished in the last week, and you are the first to view it.
The Thomas Judd Care Center is Northern Michigan's only provider of HIV-focused primary care. With a dedicated nurse practitioner and drawing on the resources of Munson Medical Center in Traverse City, we deliver personalized and holistic healthcare with discretion and respect. We've been leaders in HIV education and outreach for more than 25 years, and we're proud to meet the routine and specialized healthcare needs of those who are living with HIV, so they can focus on leading happy, healthy lives.
I hope you enjoyed those short videos. And I'd like to thank you again for taking the time out of your busy schedule and joining us on a Monday, which is always a busy day. I'm sure you will find the next few hours well worth it. Before our speakers begin sharing this morning, there are a few housekeeping items we need to mention. Again, thanks so much for joining us. Holly, it's all yours.